Good morning.
Morning.
How's she cutting?
Good. You just missed the big red oak I just saw.
Oh yeah, I got the tail end of it.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm filming a documentary on sawmills.
I was just watching one. I was hoping you would get that log. I wish I got the whole log.
You know what I always wanted on this saw cab is there's this one saw cab I seen on YouTube where the guy's windows don't have a frame on the corners, so you got perfect view.
I think I might have.
You seen that one? Always wanted that in here. There's got a lot of things up here that obstructs your view of the log.
Oh, this ain't bad.
No, I know it's not too bad, but
wait till you get to a vertical edge. It's like right in front of you.
yeah, that would drive me nuts. I like this saw cab here because it's sitting right up on the saw blade, so you can see get a nice view of the log and everything. I've seen some mills where they have the saw cab down at the end of the track, which is nice because you don't have to turn your neck, you know. It's a little more comfortable, but you can't really see what you're doing.
I was going to show you one that was like 100 feet away.
Yeah, that's crazy. I'm guessing they probably have sensors on the saw to tell if it's diving in or anything, which I've always wanted to put on this thing here. We can hook up a sensor on there, like a proximity sensor to the saw blade, and it'll measure the deviation of the saw, and it'll have a little gauge on your control panel to tell you, you know, if it's diving in, even just a tiny bit that you can't see, you know.
Or like beep or something?
Yeah, oh yeah, yeah. It'll sound an alarm if you start diving in, and it could even engage the brake on the carriage to prevent a saw from breaking, from hitting the carriage, you know. I haven't seen one yet, but I imagine somebody's got one. It would pay for itself, you know, saving the saw blade. Just all it's got to do is save one blade.
Well, what would you do? Stop the carriage?
Yeah, it can engage the brake on the DC drive and stop the carriage. It'd be real simple. Be like one wire going to the DC drive room. Well, you're about out of logs.
Yep. I got one more on the ground back there I dropped.
Oh. You heard anything about what else we're doing today?
No.
Let's see if I can find out what's going on with it.
Alright.
Maybe get some more logs.